What's up, fam? It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. So look, fam, I hope you guys absolutely love the video compilation I put together. All different types of ways to cut your bangs. Okay, here we go. If any of these videos was helpful, if you was able to use any of them, if you picked up some techniques from any of them, make sure to give your girls a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it.
Start by taking a triangular section and clip off the rest of your hair. Blow dry as desired. Pull your section towards the center for an eye-framed look. I like mine to be exaggerated, so I'm taking a center section in between my eyes. When cutting, don't lift up. Keep section as close to your forehead as possible. With minimum tension, point cut up. Be careful not to cut your fingers. Part in the middle, comb towards the middle, and cut down diagonally. Repeat on the other side. Check evenness, texturize, and then style as desired.
Honestly, try honesty, no. Just tell me what I want to hear, 'cause it could save us. Let me fly, I've got my hopes, but I can hardly see why I'm still chasing. It's not worth it for me anymore. Stand burned 100 times, I'm lost. I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone, but I just can't let you know. I just can't let you just can't let you know. can